Hello there once again. You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to yet another educational video for you. In this video, I want to show us quickly how you can add another account to your Telegram. Probably you already have an account on Telegram. You can have Telegram gives us the opportunity to have more than one account. So what you're gonna do is, let's get to the video. You simply go to Telegram. Okay, once you're on Telegram, you're gonna click on this three lines to the top left corner of your screen. Once you're here, you're going to click on this drop down. You'll see the accounts that are already on your Telegram. Then you're going to see here add account. Click there. You're going to enter the country. I'm in Cameroon. You enter the number. Then you're going to take on next. You ask you to confirm if this number is correct. Yes. Allow it to load. The Telegram will send a code to ensure that it is your phone number. So we're going to send a code so that you can enter the code and to continue. Okay, we have received the code, and you go right away to create our new account in Telegram. Okay, now the name Jude Digitals. It's optional. Okay, so the profile picture, just something. Pick up this one. Go. That is it. We'll take on next. That is it, as simple as that. Welcome to Telegram. Start messaging by tapping the pencil button in the bottom of the right corner, so you can start messaging people already. To allow access to be able to get through, to be able to message people, you need to allow access to contacts. That is it. Says you have no. Okay, they are showing up contacts. I've just loaded. So the contacts I have in my list. Alright, I can go right away to write to somebody. Let me write to this person. Hello, I am now on Telegram. tí Digitas. Let's stay better. Let's stay connected. Okay, that is it. See you in the next video. Stay connected by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.